Okay, hello everyone. Here in Capital, I have just found my student. So he wants to say something in Pashto. Hello, how are you?
I am fine.
Okay, good. So would you like to say some words in your language, Pashto?
Yes.
Okay.
Cheta se makawa da ko chadai de wa batagi.
Okay. Hello everyone again. This is Irfan, an English teacher from Pakistan. Well, today I'm here in Islamabad, the capital of Pakistan. And this is, you may see, the blue area. A very beautiful sight. Greenery is everywhere. Yes. Okay, would you like to talk and to say anything? Okay, say introduce yourself. Stand there. What's your name and where are you from?
I am Wahid Ali. My name is Wahid Ali and I am from Rawalpindi.
So I thought I should share some glimpse of the Islamabad, capital of Pakistan. Hello everyone again, this is Irfan, an English teacher. So I have found some more Sindhi students. So let's get started to talk with Daniel Raza. And what is your name?
My name is Arshad Ali.
Arshad Ali. What is your name?
Rayan Ali.
Sorry?
Rayan Ali.
Rayan Ali. And where are you from?
Sitaja, Sakkha Division.
Sakkha Division. Okay, that's good. So I would like to learn some words from you. How do you say like how are you in Sindhi? How are you? In Sindhi.
तव्हां कीअं आहियो?
Okay. And I have heard like Tojo Chaha Lahe. Is it not correct?
Correct.
It is correct. Okay. Okay, teach me some more words and sentences in Sindhi. More sentences or something else which you want to tell me. So, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so would you like to say some words in Sindhi?
असीं हाणे हिन वक़्तु इस्लामाबाद वेठा आहियूं माशाअल्लाह ब्लू एरिया हले थी घुमूं फिरूं था ॾाढो एंजॉय कयूं था तमामु मज़ो अचे थो कुझु तालीमी इदारा हिते असां सां कोऑपरेट कनि था कुझु तालीमी दर्स लिखूं था कुझु हिते घुमूं फिरूं था माशाअल्लाह ॾाढो मज़ो अचे थो पहिरियों दफ़ो अची असीं हिते इस्लामाबाद में आया आहियूं माशाअल्लाह तमामु सुठो माहौल आहे इस्लामाबाद जी जेके इदारा आहिनि सभिनी जो
Okay, thank you very much. He spoke a lot. How are you?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
I'm very fine. Thanks for asking. So you're from which city?
Sindh.
Oh, Sindh. And in Sindh, which is your city?
Jakabad.
Jakwabad. Okay, that's cool. So would you like to say some word in Sindhi?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Or studying in my custody over there in Jahrabad, Pakistan?
असां हिते इस्लामाबाद में आया आहियूं कुझु सिखण लाइ कुझु तरबियत हासिलु करण लाइ ऐं हिते माशाअल्लाह वॾो एंजॉयमेंट आहे ऐं काफ़ी सरनि जेके असांखे हिते मोटिवेट था कनि इलाही.
Okay, thank you very much.